How to fix pin chat not showing on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and make sure that your application is up to date. So let's go ahead and tap on App Store in our mobile device. And once you open the App Store, in the search bar, go ahead and search for Instagram. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your Instagram application update to its latest version. Now, once the application is updated, hit back to your home screen and then open settings. So once you open the settings app, scroll below and then tap on general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage, go ahead and search for Instagram and then tap onto it. So once you tap onto it, you'll land in this kind of interface in your screen. From here, tap on Upload app and then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the space used by Instagram and will also help you to clear the cache. So once it is done uploading, you want to go ahead and reinstall the application. So once it is done, head back to your home screen and just like so, you'll then be able to fix pin chat not showing on Instagram. Well, that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.